Hi, my name is Kenzie. I'm a student at AVEDA Institute Des Moines. We have our beautiful model Mariah here today, and we will be doing a winged eyeliner tutorial, so I'll show you a few of my favorite tips and tricks. So the winged eyeliner is a very popular look right now. The first thing you want to assess before giving it a try on yourself is to make sure that you have a nice open space to the side of the lid. So Mariah has a nice strong crease line right here, but the line itself disappears just a little bit towards the edge, leaving us with a nice open space to work with and apply a wing. So my favorite tip is to use the shape of her eye as your stencil. So I'm going to use a little bit of AVEDA Inner Light Concealer and just trace it right underneath her lower lash line, following the shape here and allowing your brush to just naturally flick upwards. I personally like using AVEDA's little angled brush because it gives you the artistic control to be able to get to a nice thin taper towards the inside and just angle it out a little bit thicker towards the edge. Okay, so we're finished with our winged eyeliner. The last step would just be to go in and blend the under eye concealer. Okay, Mariah has mascara through her lashes, and now this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.